I would like to toast the opening of my new Apple Watch. Here is the unveiling. First, it comes with a fancy little tab that you get to pull. You don't need a knife from your father-in-law. Pull the tab.
Pull the lever, Kronk.
It came off very nicely. Now this is a big package for a watch, so very excited. We ordered it 2 o'clock in the morning.
You don't have to narrate.
What were you?
Okay.
Oh, nobody know what.
Now you need a knife from your father-in-law. Oh, you want to look in the box? What do you want? Oh. I guess I don't need a knife. I don't want to mess it up. Okay, so it's wrapped in plastic, if you can't tell. But if you have a sharp fingernail, you should be able to open it. I don't encourage a knife just in case you mess it up.
Why are we narrating?
Here we go. Because it's like a Shopkins. It's exciting, Madison.
Not like a Shopkins
It's gonna
ad.
be on YouTube tomorrow.
There's the Apple hater.
I'm not an Apple hater. Everything I have is Apple.
What is it?
Wow.
What is it? I don't know.
Probably
Look at
an
the
Apple Watch since that's what you ordered.
The rest of it's just all weight.
It comes in a very fancy.
Pull that tab on there.
Look, there's another tab. Directions for the opening illiterate. That. Ooh, look at that. It's exciting,
drop
isn't it?
Careful.
That'd be.
I get first peek.
Now who's narrating?
They had a picture like that on YouTube of a kid that bought the first.
Wait, which kind did you get?
There it is, in all its glory. The new Apple Watch. Apple iWatch.
Just an Apple Watch.
Apple Watch. Ooh, it even has more directions on the back. It's very lightweight, unlike the box. So you get your money's worth because the packaging alone must have cost $50. So, just saying. All right.
I want to see Mickey Mouse.
I didn't read the directions. Hold on. Nobody reads that. Let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, first, remove the giant gold cuff.
I want to see Mickey
Scratch the
Mouse.
screen.
All right, next, I'm guessing it goes on this way. I didn't look at the instructions.
You are making me nervous. You're gonna drop it.
And that kid did buy that new iPhone 6 and come out of the store and dropped it right on the cement. Remember that? They had a picture of that.
Okay, so it goes over and through. So
Let's put this on.
not super easy to put on, I'm guessing. Oh, okay, buckle first. Okay, maybe you do need to look at the directions. Buckle first and then poke it in. Hold on, I'm gonna make it tighter. Voila.
Oh, just putting it on was difficult. Jesus, we haven't even turned it on yet.
Oh, it is got a little pre-charge.
Oh, maybe that's what you want to set on a new phone. I can see you walking
Happy
around.
early Mother's Day.
I feel loved by my family.
Oh, that was a bad picture. Smile at me.
Thank you for buying exactly what I asked for. It's just the way I like it.